Yesterday, out of nowhere, Cursor dropped 2.0, and it's trying to turn your IDE into a full-on AI dev team. It is November 1st, 2025, and you're watching the Daily Dose of AI. Cursor started life as a VS Code fork with an AI chat grafted on. Now the company says it raised a massive round and hit unicorn scale, a $9.9 billion valuation reported in June. That's what they announced. New Composer model, Cursor's first native coding model. The company claims it's optimized for low-latency, agentic coding. Multi-agent workflows run several agents in parallel, up to 8, using Git Worktrees or remote isolation. Built-in browser with Chrome DevTools inside the IDE for live DOM inspection and sending elements straight into the chat debug flow. Company claims Composer is many times faster than comparable models. Take that as vendor benchmarking until independent tests appear. This isn't just autocomplete. Cursor 2.0 is positioning itself as an environment where agents write, test, and iterate code, with humans as supervisors, not typists. Over the last 24 months, AI coding went from neat autocomplete to "we'll ship your MVP for you," big names, Copilot, Ghostwriter, Codium, proved demand. Cursor leaned into that trend and then raised a huge round to scale. Tools that claim speed and intelligence often blur the line between marketing and independent verification. So when Cursor says Composer is 4 times faster, note, those are company numbers on their blog. Promising, but not the final word. Composer is Cursor's first native coding model. The pitch: it's trained for low latency, tool use, and codebase awareness, semantic search integrated, so it can perform multi-file edits and agentic workflows faster than general-purpose chat models. Cursor's blog lays out the claim. Independent benchmarking is still emerging. Vendor benchmarks are useful signals, not gospel. Wait for reproducible tests, same prompts, same temps, token limits, before declaring it superior. Cursor now exposes an agent UI where you can spin up multiple agents in parallel, each in an isolated work tree or remote runtime. In practice, that means different agents can make different edits simultaneously without directly stomping on the same working tree. Worktrees isolate file-level edits locally, but they don't magically resolve semantic conflicts. You still need PRS, CI, tests, and human reviews. Running many agents increases the chance of duplicated work, flaky logic, and merge conflicts, so make gates, run automated tests and linting before merging agent PRS. Cursor's native browser lets agents inspect live DOM elements, grab exact selectors, and push that context back into the chat. It integrates Chrome DevTools for live debugging inside the IDE, brilliant for front-end fixes and repros. This is a productivity multiplier for UI work, but it raises the usual questions. How are session recordings stored? Where does DOM/HTML you send to the model live? Privacy and data retention matter for sensitive apps. Cursor claims Composer is significantly faster than frontier models for many coding tasks. Speed helps iteration, but speed alone doesn't equal correctness. Early community write-ups and internal posts highlight that Composer is fast and promising. Quality on complex UI tasks can still lag the best-in-class models depending on the prompt. Cursor's valuation and ARR growth underline investor appetite for applied AI tooling, but business metrics don't replace security audits. Is Composer hosted cloud or available with private deployments? How does Cursor handle proprietary code, telemetry, and opt-outs? If you run secure enterprise code, get answers before adopting. We're shifting toward agent orchestration, not single model pair programming. Cursor 2.0 is a concrete step in that direction. Composable agents, faster inference, and tooling that connects models to real developer workflows. Speed plus convenience encourages less oversight. Faster iterations without stricter CI/test policies equals faster buggy releases. The industry needs better guardrails, reproducible evals, standardized benchmarks, and privacy controls, not just hype. Try Cursor 2.0 if you want rapid prototyping and low-latency agent workflows, but treat Composer's claims as promising vendor data, not independent proof. Use Worktrees plus agents for exploratory branches, and always gate merges with CI, tests, and human reviews. This will speed up iteration. It won't replace engineering judgment, at least not yet. Expect improvements, not magic. Smash the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one, but who knows which IDE the AI will be running by then.